Oh, this is a short video all about growing your mailing list, and it specifically shows you how I grew my mailing list by 200 subscribers in just 3 or 4 weeks. And the time investment was probably less than 1 hour. Very little cost involved too, and the quality of the email subscribers is excellent. So let's get into it. I get an awful lot of questions about email marketing, and people are always looking for different ways to reach new followers and subscribers. And one of the best tools that I have come across is StoryOrigin. I've been using it for a good few years now. I'm familiar with all the tools, and I wanted to share a very quick and easy way of getting a lot of email subscribers for what is very little time investments and effort as well, I like to say. So let me get into it. Story Origin, I'm not being paid to promote this in any way, shape, or form. I have worked with Evan Gal from Story Origin for some years, helping provide feedback and on new features and tools and stuff like that. And I've also just had to shower Evan with so much praise as well because he's created such an amazing tool. And it's so reasonably priced as well. I think it's $10 a month, cheaper if you get it in a yearly subscription, and it gives you the ability to connect with fellow authors. And I have found this one of the best ways to grow your mailing list. Now, what Evan has on Story Origin is a thing called Reader Magnet. So this isn't a new thing, but what you can do using Story Origin is create a sort of means for people to download your books. So if we, for example, were to have a look at this page for one of my books, this is what you can create. A nice sort of simple but attractive landing page. You can click get download, and you just have to join the person's mailing list to get that book. And that's what makes it so effective, because you're getting email subscriptions from actual readers. And this was the result from my last campaign. It began on around the 28th of Feb. It's still running now. I chose a couple of books. One is a novel, Prize Laments, and that has received 190 downloads. And The Wolves That Stalk the Flock is a short story, 65 downloads, and each one of them is an email subscriber. You can see it spikes at different times, sometimes not much going on at all. And the reason why these things spike is because other people who I've connected with on Story Origin are sharing my books and my links to their followers so that I can get subscribers from their mailing list as well. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So you just need to basically sign up for Story Origin. You can sign up for free. You can use these features for free. Obviously, $10 a month is not an awful lot of an investment. It's probably one of the smallest investments you'll make, but probably the biggest return. So I always recommend it. Add a reader magnet. You just create your book, add the download options, and then you're good to go. Next thing you want to do is head over to the campaign planner, and Story Origin is organized by campaigns. So you set a date when you're going to send your newsletter, and in that newsletter, you're going to promote other people's books. In exchange, they're going to promote your book in their newsletter. Now, you just create your campaign, so you can pick any date you want. My advice: don't send too many too often. Maybe once or twice a week. Otherwise, you're going to get people unsubscribing. And then once you've created that, there are two ways you can use a reader magnet to get subscribers. And the first one I'm going to tell you about are newsletter swaps. And you can see that here on the dashboard on the left. The newsletter swap is really simple. It's just you connecting with an individual author and asking to basically promote your book. Now, Story Origin allows you to search by genres. So, being a fantasy writer, let's have a look for some fantasy. You can see here a list. These little ticks underneath, excellent feature because it says verified there. You can verify through integrating your email system. So I'm on MailChimp, for example. There's also MailLite and other things. You can connect that directly to StoryOrigin, and then the two platforms basically speak to each other, and tells users like me who are trying to connect with Van Cole here, for example, that is an accurate representation of their mailing list statistics. So you can see here key metrics you want to look at: open rate. So this is the number of people who are going to be opening this guy's emails. Now, list size, for example, think of it like this. You might think, oh, 5,648. That sounds like a good number, right? 47.8% of that number opens the emails on average. So it's really about 2,750, 2,700 around there. Click rate is good. That is a fantastic click rate. So you're going to be getting sort of like, of that 2,700, maybe sort of potentially about 200 clicks, 300 clicks. And what you can do then is, you like the look of that newsletter, you can click on it and exchange the book mention. I mean, have a look here. This is a romance, so it might not be suitable. So you've just got to keep things like that in mind. But all you need to do then, exchange the book mention. You don't actually have to speak to the other subscriber. And you can just set things up like that. Send a swap request. It's up to the other person. They might look at your previous newsletter stats. They might look at how many subscribers you've got, what your open and click rate is, and things like that will influence them. Other things to look out for: some people don't have the verified badge, so it's not as straightforward, but you can look at past performance and upcoming dates. So you can see if they've actually been promoting people's books to their newsletters. So this person has, which is always reassuring. There's a lot of trust involved, especially when it comes to like trusting other people to send and feature your books. But you can request to see a copy of the newsletter so that you know you have been featured. So that is newsletter swaps. And the second method, which is also fantastic, is the group promotions. So a group promotion is when a number of authors all group together to give away their books for free. Now, group promotions could range from 20 people. It could be 200 people. It's hard to really put a figure on it. The more who are involved, the better it can be. And the reason why is because the idea of a group promotion is that every author who's joined that promotion has to share the link or the landing page. I'll show you what they look like. And it's basically a list or a big page full of different books, and you can just scroll through and see if there's any that you like the look of. This one just has a few, but some will have over 100. If you're promoting free books to your email subscribers, that is a great thing to offer them. A simple link where they can go and choose from hundreds of books that they can all download for free. I think that is a really valuable thing. So don't worry about promoting things that you don't think your readers are going to like. If they like books, then who doesn't like free books? So that is basically how it runs. And in the meantime, you don't really do much else. All you've got to do is remember to send your campaign, and StoryOrigin gives you lots of instructions about how to include your books or the people you're connecting with's books in your newsletter. Usually I just include the book cover, maybe a few lines about the book, and a link via the StoryOrigin link provided. And then that'll take them to the Reader Magnet page where they can download everyone's books. It's a wonderful system. It's very easy to use, very cost effective. You get a lot of email subscribers, a lot of good quality email subscribers as well. And I could not recommend it more highly. So give it a go. Let me know what you think. If you get a great result, please let me know. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and good luck with that email marketing building process.